पिता भी हैं और साथ ही साथ एक जाने माने एक्टर भी हैं। उनकी तरफ से तमाम बातों को कहा गया, आपने सुना। लेकिन इसी बीच एक और आपको जानकारी दे दें कि आईटीसी लिमिटेड के अध्यक्ष और प्रबंध निदेशक संजीव पुरी को इंपैक्ट पर्सन ऑफ द ईयर 2020 चुना गया है। महिला और बाल विकास मंत्री स्मृति ईरानी ने विजेता के नाम का ऐलान किया और इस मौके पर संजीव पुरी ने कहा कि इस उपलब्धि को किसानों और ग्रामीण समुदाय को समर्पित कर रहे हैं, जिनके साथ आईटीसी विकास के लिए काम कर रही है।
Please give it up for the star of this evening, ladies and gentlemen.
And strong conglomerate, contemporary, agile, and
I don't want to take their names because really we want to get to the crescendo. It's my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the 16th edition of the Impact Person of the Year. We started Exchange for Media 21 years back. We started Exchange for Media to build a B2B e-commerce marketplace for the media industry. For the first 3.5 years, we started to do that and we failed. We started a newsletter for the marketing, advertising, media and communication industry. And with all humility, over the last 18.5 years, we continue to be the homepage of everyone in the industry. There are a lot of people in the first row who really contributed to our journey, our success, and my loss of hair. I will tell you their names in a while, but let me say that Impact's 18th year and the Impact Person of the 16th year is an event that we normally do in Mumbai. This year we're doing for the first time in Delhi. And when you have the winner, you'll know that you've seen the AV and the kind quality of nominees, the process that we follow. And those of you who are familiar with our processes, that almost everything we do is through a process. We don't prejudge, we don't pre-decide. It's either an editorial process culminating through a voting or finally through a jury. I just want to say that the last 20 months taught us three things. Compassion, I hope they did. Change, that every 3 months, 6 months there is a change. And most importantly, it showed us the value of personal care. While we have to be compassionate about everybody, we also have to care about ourselves and the earth. Sustainability became very important. Seva, in the last 19 months, while we talked about the professional achievements of each of those nominees who are stellar, I think in the last 19 months, a lot of them did. Shobha, please give Shobha a big round of applause.
Chief guest is somebody who has constantly reinvented herself over the years, and we are very, very privileged to have.
Touched by the recognition and the honor bestowed this evening. It is indeed an immense privilege to receive this from the hands of none other than Honorable Minister Smriti Irani ji, one of the most impactful political leaders in the country. Receiving this from you has made this recognition immensely special to me and to all of us at ITC. Thank you very much. I accept this recognition with all humility on behalf of Team ITC and all the stakeholders, the millions of stakeholders of ITC who are the true recipients of this recognition. This recognition is truly a tribute to their relentless efforts in creating an institution of national pride. I draw immense strength from all that the Team ITC does. Whatever the dedicated and passionate Team ITC does, I draw strength from the compassion they demonstrate in engagement with communities, particularly at times of deep distress like during the pandemic. And at the same time, I draw immense strength from their grit, their determination to continuously build ITC, to continuously create and build ITC's world-class Indian brands. I've always believed that enterprises must serve a larger societal purpose while they
तो इसी के साथ एक छोटा सा ब्रेक के बाद भी खबरों का सिलसिला लगातार जारी है।